What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So this is the baking book from the Better Home and Garden. The link will be in the description box below. So I wanna be clear, I've read a lot of cookbook, I have read a lot of culinary book. I was in South Korea. I was applying in a private university where most of their tutor and chef was from Switzerland and Germany, and there was one German racist tutor which he did not let me to do the associate degree in baking. Yes, he was so racist. He said, you have a beard, you have to cut off your beard or I'm not letting you in. He saw it on my face. I say okay. I say I'm not going to cut my beard and screw you. After that I started reading books. I started doing short courses wherever I can find, but it was ridiculously expensive to get in. And then I learned baking by myself. My passion was for baking. I want to start a bakery. So these kind of books I bought back in the days to learn baking. If someone is not letting you learn something, I mean, at that time I want to do associate degree in baking, but that's I don't want to say any bad word. That German racist dude do not let me in. Okay, he do not let me in. But I said, screw you, I'm gonna learn it by myself. And then I bought this book. This book is really very beautifully written, more than 300 recipe. I gave 9.5 out of 10. The images are so beautiful. I mean, the images again are literally very beautiful. I mean this is a book which seduced me. Because this is one of my early book which I bought that I started learning how to bake. I do not get me wrong, I bought some online courses, I learned from YouTube, but the best way I learned was from this book, to be honest with you. As you can see, this book I read over, that's why it's like this. There will be some like butter also fallen because I was in the kitchen using this book. I love brownie. Brownie is my weakness. Cream cheese, brownie. This book is really very beautifully written. Salted peanut bar, my weakness. Classic characters will solve my weakness. Oh, wow, I love it. This book is really very beautifully written. The images are so beautiful. I'm just trying to show you briefly because you have to buy the book to read and then see the images. 350 recipe. Beautiful book, very beautifully written book. I just don't see any downside to this book, to be honest with you. It's a very beautifully written book. 9.5 out of 10. I hope you will like this book, to be honest with you. The link is in the description box below. Subscribe and okay, it's just come out. The paper cover. Let me show you from here. It's like this. Okay, subscribe and bye.